Welcome to our deep dive into the Toyota Cressida, a classic Japanese sedan that defined comfort and reliability during the 1980s. Known for its understated elegance and smooth driving experience, the Toyota Cressida first hit the market in the late 1970s and quickly gained popularity for its blend of Japanese engineering and luxury features. Unlike other sedans of its time, the Cressida offered a smooth, reliable ride that appealed to both families and professionals. Over the years, it became a symbol of quality, durability, and understated style. In the USA, the Cressida became especially popular in states like California and Texas, where collectors began appreciating its timeless appeal. Looking at the exterior, the Cressida embodies elegance without being flashy. Its straight body lines, clean front grille, and rectangular headlights reflect the 1980s Japanese sedan styling. The wheels are perfectly proportioned, and the chrome trims add a subtle touch of luxury. Even today, the Cressida's exterior maintains a timeless charm that turns heads at classic car shows. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a surprisingly spacious and comfortable cabin. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, the dashboard features polished wood trims, and the controls are ergonomically placed. For a car from the 1980s, the Cressida offers a level of comfort that rivals some modern sedans. Its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and thoughtful interior design make it perfect for long drives. Under the hood, the Cressida features a reliable inline-six engine, providing ample power and torque for smooth highway driving. Its suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps effortlessly. Drivers appreciate its balance between performance and quiet operation. Despite being a classic sedan, the Cressida's handling is precise, making it enjoyable for both city driving and long road trips. One of the standout features of the Toyota Cressida is its legendary reliability. With proper care, these cars can last for decades. Parts are still widely available, and routine maintenance is straightforward. Many owners in the USA have reported minimal issues even after 30-plus years, which is why the Cressida remains a favorite among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Collectors love the Cressida for its timeless design and dependable mechanics. Unlike some flashy vintage cars, it offers subtle elegance and practicality, making it a smart investment. The resale value of well-maintained Cressidas continues to rise, especially models with original features and low mileage. In the USA, classic car clubs often feature the Cressida in shows, where enthusiasts admire its beauty and craftsmanship. In today's market, a Toyota Cressida can range from $5,000 for a well-used example to $20,000 plus for a fully restored model in excellent condition. Factors like mileage, originality, and restoration quality heavily influence price. For collectors and enthusiasts, a Cressida represents not just a car, but a piece of automotive history worth preserving. To sum it up, the Toyota Cressida is a classic that combines elegance, comfort, and long-lasting reliability. Its timeless design and smooth performance make it a must-have for collectors and vintage car lovers in the USA. If you're seeking a classic sedan that stands out for both style and practicality, the Cressida is a gem worth considering.